can stir fry them.
Cabbage and bacon? Oh, put some gravy on it.
Oh.
Gravy.
Do you know how to make a gravy?
You buy it.
You buy it when you make gravy?
You buy some chicken stockings, you let it simmer till it thickens.
Wait, do we have to use American bacon?
I don't know.
Oh, we could use...
Why are we walking so far?
We use pork belly?
I told you we just go to Samu and then buy everything and then put the lettuce on top and then crack
Yeah.
it.
Seems like we have a plan.
Yeah.
We're in the wrong aisle. This is all the healthy stuff.
What do you mean? Avocado. We need avocado.
Wait, why do we need avocado?
I said just get guacamole. It's already made.
Well, yeah, let's just get guac.
They won't even know.
Let's just get guac.
There'll be a little bit of spiciness too. These things probably aren't ripe. I buy them every time. They're never ready.
Yeah, that's not good.
Cabbage right here. We gotta buy our cabbage.
Dude, Tim found it.
Let's go. One?
Yeah, one. Gotta make sure it's heavy.
Wait, this?
Wait, that's lettuce. That's not cabbage. Oh my gosh, Christian!
This is Tim's fault.
Yeah, it's cabbage.
Hey, I didn't say that one. I said that one.
It's cabbage.
Oh.
Wait, why don't
Wait, I didn't bring my grocery bags, guys.
Why don't we get Napa cabbage?
We have enough people.
Napa cabbage.
Oh wait, where do? Oh wow.
Yeah, it tastes better.
Yeah, let's get that. Let's get that.
Yeah, let's get Napa cabbage.
Jump in.
There's a super strat right here. We got an enemy team.
The red cabbage, everything's dire.
What are they getting? Oh, the chicken's that way. They already got the chicken.
Avocado.
I'm in need of good content for my YouTube channel, and this might be it.
Hey guys, someone find the bacon.
Bacon. Right here. I found them. Let's get the apple. Oh, that's expensive.
Yeah. All $5.99.
$4.99 right there.
$4.99.
Alright, that's a winner.
Alright.
Look at all that fat on that. Udon?
Wait.
That's gross.
We're doing
Can we
stir
just
fry.
make ramen?
Can we just make ramen? I have ramen at home.
Wait, oh, are we gonna?
Wait.
Do you mind if we use your ramen?
Yeah, it's Neoguri. It's the good one. I bought it yesterday. Is this one?
What the?
Oh. Kanto.
Kanto noodles.
The Kanto noodles.
That's what we use for the yakisoba.
We could.
The
Okay.
$2.69.
$2.69? Alright, it's decided we'll use it.
$2.69?
Yeah.
How many should we buy?
$2.69. Wait, is that expensive or cheap?
I think it's expensive.
Alright, forget it. We'll just use the ramen at home.
Okay.
I had it from lunch though.
Well, I don't think you can stir fry those noodles, can you?
No,
You can stir fry everything.
this is a game changer. Game changer right there.
It's game changer.
Game changer.
Oyster, wait, Christian, do you have oyster sauce? We just
I don't know.
If not, it's right there.
Oh, we'll use ramen seasoning. Okay, wait, Christian, you have carrots? Do you have carrots and celery in our stir fry? And onions?
We gotta buy those.
Okay, but no. Like, should we put carrots in it? What do you guys think?
Yeah. Carrots is always the go. People are trying to be healthy these days. And we gotta appeal to the masses.
Wait, what are we getting again?
We're getting carrots
Oh, okay.
and Brussels
there they are.
sprouts.
Oh, right here.
Are those
99
organic?
cents.
99 cents each? Or each? How much should we buy? One's enough. Okay,
One isn't.
One's enough.
one's enough.
Now we're done. Shrimp on them.
Cracker yet.
Wait, smoked salmon. Smoked salmon. Oh, wow.
Smoked salmon.
Oh, we really want to spend money on that.
Right there.
Well, we're trying to win.
Onion or not?
I think onion would taste good.
Onion. Why don't we just buy a cooked one? There's some crispy ones over there.
Yeah.
I used those when I made the stuff for Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Friendsmas.
I don't remember.
Did you go, Tyler?
I don't remember.
You know, I bet Tyler avoided my order.
No, I was there.
Tyler decided not to eat mine.
No, it was Sarah.
Oh, wow.
I was there.
You guys want to go balling?
Hey, why don't we just get imitation crab instead and pretend it's the same thing? Mayonnaise, imitation crab. That's gross.
No.
A little bit.
Should we get two?
Nah, that's good. It's an appetizer.
But we have to eat. We have to feed us.
Well, we can always hit the ramen packs afterwards.
Okay. Wait, can we eat Ritz?
Oh wait, I have some really good Triscuits at home.
Ritz or Triscuits?
I have these Triscuits. They're avocado, lime, and
Triscuits.
Avocado lime?
yeah. They're right here.
Ooh, Triscuits.
But we could just use the one at home.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
Okay.
Save money.
Okay, now what?
You want to just buy Ritz?
Forget
for
the
yourself?
Ritz.
Okay, what else do we need to buy?
Mayo.
Mayo. Okay.
Mayo.
Oh, dude, I have
Oh,
some.
mayo.
Wait, I have some in my apartment. You think I should just like get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, is that
I
it?
don't know if it's expired or not because they use it for fake Swiss.
Well, it won't matter.
Are we using it?
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
let's go.
Oh, we're done then,
We're
right?
done. Let's go.
No, we don't have a. Oh wait, we do
What
have
do we have?
cracker. Oh,
We're so inefficient.
Sesame oil?
yeah.
Alright.
I think so.
Okay.
I hope so. If not, we could use butter.
So too.
We use butter.
Put butter in, everything tastes better. Smashing garlics.
So you can use my my knife after I'm done.
Alright, here you go.
Why does it need this space?
I don't know if you want to use
there's
this
another
stove.
one.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Come right here.
You don't cut it. For speed?
That looks safe.
Oh!
Okay, what can I do?
Wait.
Wow, look at Tyler.
Wait. There's a sponge.
We're gonna cook some eggs. Do you want
Wow, look at that. We could. What, Christian, we're using so much
Cook
of your
eggs?
stuff.
Well,
You could.
the eggs expire
Kat doing?
January 27th.
Oh,
I haven't
look,
used
look,
a
look,
single
look.
one.
Oh my gosh, let's use it. Hi.
One for you. Tyler has cut 3 vegetables since I cooked.
Don't worry about it.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking butter. You're not supposed to eat butter when it's raw.
Wait, Christian, the stove isn't on.
Stove? Yeah, it is.
Dude, it's
Wait,
his
is it?
stove.
Where's?
See, oh, this one. Wait, there's no water. I'm boiling the water.
Oh, okay. I was like, wait, it's not on, is it?
Don't you worry.
Dude, this bacon is like pure fat.
All of our stir-fried items are ready. Due to the generous work of everyone besides Patesia.
Exactly.
Patesia's
Cooking bacon.
Patesia's cooking bacon today.
Wait, that bacon's not ready.
It's okay.
It's gonna refry itself.
You can flip it over many times, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
You guys bake it in one place until it gets all brown.
Hey, how
like the
crispy are
water's
we making this bacon?
Well, it's
Water's
one
ready.
stir fryer,
I'm
right?
gonna move.
So
Yeah.
I need to make it pretty crispy in order to make it
Patesia, you stay in there.
texture change, right? Texture differences?
Because you're looking at the bacon.
What am I doing? Hey, maybe we
Good
should
job.
just put the bacon on top instead of stir frying it
It's
together.
7:54. We're in a rush.
Like
Yeah.
soften the bacon.
That's why I'm like, that's how you gotta cook the bacon for a long time.
That is not ramen.
Wait, there's like barely any water.
Okay, move.
That is good enough. It's good enough.
Are you sure?
You just have to hack it. Because that would be cool too if I gave you my jacket. Okay, I'm gonna get in on the action here. I'll
Wow.
move in. Okay, Christian, what are we doing right here?
We get our precious carbs.
Alright.
If you don't have carbs, you're not gonna be a happy eater. You're not gonna be full. You're not gonna want to come back. Austin, are you waiting for your
And then we're just frying bacon over here.
Yes, we are. It's very dangerous work.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
A lot of oil.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Hi, Tessia.
So what you can do actually, Christian, is if you boil water in this thing, the water will remove the.
Wait, is there fond? Build up? Yeah.
It's stainless
Just boil
steel.
water. Yeah, boil water in it.
Yeah.
Tim, behind you. Behind you. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Bacon so that we can use it later. We put it in the fridge, the fat will coagulate, but this way you keep a firm amount on each bacon.
Alright, let's pour it out. Hey, this is gonna be making our stir fry, Tim.
I'll do it.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Wow, Tim. Thanks, Tim.
Taiwan's finest.
Yeah.
That is true.
Dude, you better be up to standard.
Alright, you can take it off then.
Okay.
Okay, on.
Watch out, watch out. Hot pan, hot pan. Hot water. Wait, which side do we dump it on?
Left.
Left. Okay.
That's not bad. That's pretty good.
That's the right side, right?
That's your right. Our left.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, where's your garlic?
Garlic. It's there.
Wait, it's Tat. It's TT. TT.
Tim and Tyler?
Yeah. Tag team.
Oh, can I use this? I'm using this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
I love garlic.
I don't know if the flavor will come out with plating like that, but Tessia does what she does, and when she's useful, we just gotta take it.
Soy sauce. Yeah. Oyster sauce. Soy sauce.
Powder. Powder.
Oh,
Stir frying's going
You
on.
want to start choosing the powder you're going to add it?
Yeah.
Powder.
Spicy one.
We only have this one. It's soup-based and neo-gurdy.
The 2016 one.
Not spicy? Oh,
Oh, and we added 2 spicy. They're in for a shot.
there's a beef flavor one.
Oh, let's put the pink one in.
Then could you tell us which one's which?
What do you think is best?
There's Chinese on it, and no, there's Taiwanese on it actually.
I think this should be seafood.
He
I think
thinks
this should be beef. Because
Okay.
beef usually has this texture and then you can touch it. It feels like this kind of like,
very good, very good.
yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Do you want to add noodles?
we
or
lose,
do you wanna see- do you wanna see
This
the-
might be the decision that costs
And then
us.
all the seasoning comes in. So I need an oyster sauce and then this.
Oyster
All
sauce.
right.
Oh, I also have teriyaki sauce.
I would choose this one.
Panda bread. Oyster sauce.
Twisted.
Oyster sauce. Should I just put it in my hand? I'm a little scared.
Don't be serious, my child.
Okay.
Sorry, give me carrots.
Well, that's the finished product. We finished before 8:30. And these are done too. Wow.
Wow.
They're looking good. We can leave now. Austin thinks it's good. He's happy. Tyler thinks it's good.
Do you want to eat it? I love the letters.
Uncooked.
Yeah, and then circle symmetry looks nice.
Wait, how come that thing is becoming less and less? I know. You guys have
No.
like an old we have to share.
That's the good group. I can't wait to try that. Wow. Wow. That looks really good. Can you say that again? No? Okay.
Team 2, we enjoyed the throwback vibes from the Triscuits, and Nathan's digestive system will surely appreciate it come tomorrow. The bacon. Oh yeah, it'll offset the Vallartas. Yeah. We liked how the not ramen, but what was it? Nigiri noodles were prepared in the bacon fat. It was a very economical use of ingredients.
I was a fan of it.
Mhm.
Good fan of it.
And it was very clear that Christian played a major role in some of the planning there. And we enjoyed the attention to detail that you had with our initials. And many people forget the T when they write my initials, but you didn't.
That was all Tessia.
Oh, thank you, Tessia.
So top 3 finish for everybody.
Yes, yeah.